welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys a no makeup routine, right? Like I'm going to like a birthday, no, not a birthday, I'm going to like a holiday party and a holiday gathering, and I really don't want to put like a lot of makeup on my face, right? I want to do the no makeup look. So I was like, okay, I got 10 minutes, so let's do a no makeup routine under 10 minutes. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to put my timer on and we're going to really see if I can do it under 10 minutes, right? So my hair is kind of already done. This is me getting my whole face ready, my makeup done, my hair done, hopefully under 10 minutes. But yeah, let's see. So I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. So let's get right into this video because 10 minutes is about to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, it's on the dot. Let's get it. I'm doing my brows real fast. So I feel like with the no makeup routine, I feel like you don't have to do too much. Like with your brows, like be as simple as possible. I'm gonna start off with my concealer first before my eyebrows because I want it to like, you know, sit a little bit more. So I'm gonna use that excess, but I'm gonna use the extra stuff and probably do my eyebrows with it. See, just something real chill, something a little, but and then you want to just blend. Y'all see that soft blend with the eyebrows? That's how you want to get it for the no makeup look. Y'all probably gonna see it kind of. Oh, y'all look at my skin. My skin is breaking out. Oh, I don't know what's going on. It's probably that mask. This routine is specifically for all my corporate baddies. You know what I'm saying? I have 5 minutes. I literally have 5 more minutes left and I'm over here taking my time. Like, what? Alright. Three minutes left, y'all. 3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm not doing lashes, so y'all don't forget about that. Try to do a nice little bright under eye. Just a little nice bright under eye. I'm sorry, doing my lips now. Okay. I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow. Just to give that natural look. I have a minute left. Oh gosh. I want to see if I can fake contour. I don't have the contour brush, but I'm just gonna make do with this one. 15 seconds. Y'all have 15 seconds left. Oh my god. Our blush. 9 seconds. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. We're done. I got to put on my lip gloss. But that's literally, we're done, y'all. We're done. This is how far it came up. I feel like I didn't do bad at all, to be honest. But this is what my makeup looks like in 10 minutes, okay? It's not bad, because I actually really like it. It's very like minimum, you know, not too much makeup going on. This is supposed to give like a work makeup when you're going to work and you just need something to put on. You don't want to do too much like a party makeup or like a going out makeup, you know? So I actually really like it. I feel like it's very chill, you know? The only thing I forgot to do was my lip gloss, and I forgot to spray my face. So I mean, we're done without 10 minutes, but let me at least finish up my face, because I actually have somewhere to go in like the next 15 minutes. So, making sure that this is on my face. Ooh, was that too much? I think that's too much. Look at me trying to mess up my no makeup look, and I gotta blend that out. I still feel like I'm on a timer right now, which is crazy. I don't know if I should blend this out with this. No, I blend it out with my brush. Alright, y'all, I am done. Just gotta spray my face, and your girl is done. This is a hard challenge. For some of y'all for y'all that do makeup, this is a hard challenge. Like, to remember everything in less than 10 minutes, that's a lot. Not gonna lie. Yes, I use 3 setting sprays. Okay. Now the look is complete. What? The look is complete, you guys. This is so bomb. It's very chill. It's not too much, you know? I'm not a hair guru. Y'all ordered some rollers. I ordered some rollers from Amazon. Oh, and I can't wait to put them on. I forgot. The only thing is, y'all, I forgot. I didn't put this down, but I'm scared too. I could do the soft ones. And I forgot to put mascara. So I want a very minimum makeup. I don't want to do lashes. I feel like lashes with this look would be nice, but I don't want to do lashes. I want to do the no, like, I like the simple chill look, you know what I'm saying? This is cute, y'all. This is fire. Oh no, do I have makeup on my forehead? I need to put makeup on my forehead, or at least a little a little bronzer on my forehead. So there's something on my forehead, you know? Lashes, because I don't want it to like bleed. I don't know how to stop it from bleeding, so that's why I'm kind of a little nervous. But maybe I could put like a little light ones underneath. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go get ready, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because y'all will see the whole look on Instagram, the whole fit on Instagram. So yeah, and I'm really loving my makeup. I keep looking over here because that's where my face is at, but I love my makeup because I love how like calm it is. It's not doing too much, you know. It's just like a nice work makeup. So I'm loving this, y'all. I'm really loving this. Like, I'm really loving this. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions with my routine just now, with under 10 minutes of the makeup that I did do, just comment down below or just DM me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in to my Vlogmas series. And yeah, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.